Here at Holley, we're continually striving to upgrade our products, and firmware upgrades are no exception. They're a key part in making sure that your EFI performs at its best. Today, I'm going to use this to upgrade one of these. Let me show you how to update your Sniper EFI. First, turn the key to the accessory position. From the home screen, select File, then select Global Configs. On the Save GCF screen, press the Download from ECU icon. This will pull up a screen and prompt you to save your file as a generic name. Simply press OK, or if you wish to rename the calibration, press Save GCF As. Then use the keyboard to delete and rename the file. It is not necessary, but we recommend that you rename the configuration for easier identification. When you're finished, press OK. You should now see a downloading progress bar, and the calibration is going to be saved to the list. Then return to the home screen and remove the SD card from the Sniper handheld. Insert your SD card into the appropriate slot in your computer or laptop, or you can use a USB adapter like one of these. Locate your SD card in the File Explorer. Open the Holley file. As default, the file should appear as FW0100. Click on this file, then the Save GCF file, and your saved calibration should appear. If you already have a good working calibration that you'd like to save and reuse, follow the next steps to save your file. Simply right-click the file that you'd like to save, select Copy, and then paste to your desktop. Now, whether you save the calibration or not, go back and click on the root folder of the SD card, highlight the files, right-click and select Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes to permanently delete these files. You now have a clean SD card. Next, you will have to download the latest Sniper firmware from our website. Go to holley.com, click on the Support tab at the top, then click on the EFI Software tab. Now in the Sniper EFI folder, select and download the Sniper EFI SD card contents. You will notice a zip file appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. Drag this file to the desktop. Then right-click the zip file and hover over the Open With tab and select Windows Explorer. A new window will open with the zip file. Now open the card contents and copy the files by highlighting and dragging them to the window containing your empty SD card. This may take a while to copy, but a progress window should appear. Once the files have been copied over, close the window we copied the zip files from and verify that you have a .fwu file saved to your SD card. Your SD card should now be configured with the latest Sniper firmware updates from Holley. If you previously saved a calibration and would like to reinstall it, you will need to double-click and open the Holley file. Then open the new file, FW0101. Select the Save GCF file. Now you can copy and paste your saved calibration back into the Save GCF file. You can now remove the SD card from your computer. With the key off, install your SD card into the Sniper handheld. Now turn the key to the accessory position to power up the handheld, but do not start the engine. Wait for all three updates to load, then remove the SD card and immediately reinstall it. You should now be at the home screen. Select the file icon, then the ECU HW/FW icon. Then press Upgrade ECU Firmware, and a progress bar will appear. When the upload is complete, click OK. Now return to the home screen. You will need to rerun the wizard by answering the questions and following the prompts. If you previously saved a calibration, you can skip the wizard process and instead select the Files icon, then the Global Configurations icon. Your calibration should appear in the box. You now need to upload the file to the ECU. Select OK and wait for the progress bar to disappear. Then press OK and turn the key to the off position for at least 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, turn the key back to the accessory position, but do not start the engine. Congratulations, your Sniper firmware update is now completed. You can now start the engine. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more how-to and tech support videos, visit our website at holley.com or visit the Holley Performance channel on YouTube.